In 2009, slip mount system became a forward-thinking breakthrough for adapting pipe to fence posts. It works by power-driving chain-link pipe deep below ground to a depth that prevents any uplift resistance, and internally providing the vinyl post with greater lateral capacity. The overall fence becomes stronger. It's molded from thermoplastic polymers, a mechanically rugged material that combats the outdoor elements throughout the lifespan of the fence. The design creates multiple adjusting positions for the post, so all fence posts can be aligned perfectly. Portable gas-powered post drivers are capable of installing pipes to depths of 4 foot in just minutes. The slip mount system is clean, efficient, and ideal in favorable ground conditions. Its speed is unmatched by conventional dig and pour techniques, usable with pipe formed into concrete foundations and other structures, such as arbor posts, pergolas, and signposts. Optional reducer insert adapts to smaller size pipe. Rail lock secures fence panels into posts.